5 teams A, B, C, D and E, each consisting of 15 members, are going on expeditions to 5 different locations. Each team includes members from 3 different skill sets: biologists, geologists and explorers. However, the number of members from each skill set varies by team and each member has only one speciality. The total number of biologists, geologists and explorers are equal. The following additional information is available. Some information has been given. So, this information is given, and there are 3 questions based on this, and this happened for the first time in IPMAT Indore short answer section, that somewhere close to DI or LR is given. A set of questions has been given on same information. So, what do we have? We have 5 teams A, B, C, D. So, A, B, C, D and E. Each of them consists of 15 members, right? And they belong to 3 different categories, 3 different skill sets. One of them is a biologist and the other is geologist. Then we have explorers, right? Then we have explorers. Now, let's take one column and one row for total as well, okay? All right. Now, what does it say in the question? That total number of members in each of these teams is 15. So, 15, 15, 15, 15, 15. Can I say total number of members in total will be 75, right? And it also says here that the number of biologists, geologists and explorers are equal. This value is equal to this and this. So, 75 by 3 is 25. So, number of biologists is 25, number of geologists is 25 and number of explorers will be equal to 25. Now, let us go to these information. Every team has at least 2 members from each of these skill sets. Each of these values will be greater than equal to 2, greater than equal to 2. Okay. Team C and D have 6 biologists each, C and D 6 biologists each, 6 and 6. And team A has 6 geologists, team A has 6 geologists. Every team except A has more biologists than explorers. Every team except A has more biologists than explorers. So, in terms of B, if number of explorer is X, then this will be greater than X. Number of in terms of C, this value should be less than 6. Number in terms of D, this value should be less than 6, right? Number of biologists is greater than explorers except A. So, for B, C, D, E. And in this case, if this value is Y, this should be greater than Y, right? Now, we know that each of these values is greater than or equal to 2, right? So, one thing that we can consider, that if this value is greater than this can be minimum 2, then this will be minimum 3, right? Now, let us check the next information. The number of explorers in each team is distinct and decrease in the order A, B, C, D and E. Number of explorers in each of them is distinct, and they decrease from top to bottom, like this, top to bottom. Number of explorers decreases, right? Distinct and decreases. Now, what are the values that we can put here? See, we have 6 here. Even if I take minimum 2 here, the maximum value I can take is 7 here, right? Maximum value I can take 7 and the minimum I can take is 2. So, we have 7, we have 6, we have 5, 4, 3 and 2. Out of 6 numbers, we need to take 5, right? Out of these 6, we need to take 5 and their sum should be 25. Now, if I add all this, so what do we get? 7 plus 6 plus 5 plus 4 plus 3 plus 2 is nothing but 13 plus 9, 22 plus 5, 27. Very tight. 27. If I want 25, I do not need to take 2, right? I don't need to take 2. So if numbers are in decreasing order and distinct, there is only one possibility, which is this is 7, this is 6, this is 5, this is 4, and this is 3. Why? Because even if you take 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, what will happen? 6 plus 5 plus 4 plus 3 plus 2. So 8 plus 8, 16 plus 4, you are only getting 20, right? You are only getting 20. So this number must be 7, and these will be in decreasing order. So starting with 7, rest of the numbers will be 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, and this 2 verifies. Now what we can say, if 6, 6, 2, so total 14 we already have, this value is 6, this must be, this even if I take this as 2, this will be greater than this, so it can only be 7, right? Because minimum it should be 2. 6 plus 2 is 8, so it will be 7, exactly 7. So 14 plus 7 is 21 plus 4, just greater than 3. Now we can find the rest of the values. That 6 plus 5 is 11, this value will be 4, 6 plus 4 is 10, this value will be 5, 4 plus 3 is 7, this value will be 8. Right? So all the values we have now. Let's solve these questions. The median number of the biologists across 5 teams, if I write down all the values in increasing order, so 2, 4, 6, 6, 7, the middle number is 6. What is median? If you arrange given data in increasing order, the middle value is the median. So our answer is 6 for this question. The next question, the number of biologists in team E is, in team E, number of biologists is 4, right? So this will be 4. And the next one, the number of teams having more geologists than biologists is, more geologists than biologists, more geologists than biologists. So in case of A, that is true, not B, not C, not D. In case of E, that is true. So number of such teams is equal to 2, and that is our answer.